We all know the importance of earning money. It's essential for survival, for putting food on the table, and for having a roof over our heads. But simply earning money isn't enough. What truly matters is understanding how to manage it, how to make it work for you, and how to use it to achieve your dreams. That's where financial education comes in. It's not just about becoming rich, although that's certainly a possibility. It's about gaining control of your financial life, making informed decisions, and securing your future. It's about having the knowledge and confidence to navigate the complex world of money. Imagine being able to make smart investments, buy your dream home, or retire comfortably. These are all achievable goals with the right financial knowledge. Without it, you risk falling into debt, making poor financial choices, and missing out on opportunities to grow your wealth. Financial education is the key to unlocking your financial potential. It empowers you to take control of your money and your life. It's an investment in yourself, and one that pays dividends for years to come. Financial education is the cornerstone of a secure and prosperous future. But what exactly does it entail? Simply put, it's the process of acquiring the knowledge and skills necessary to make informed and effective decisions about your money. This encompasses a wide range of topics, from understanding basic financial concepts like budgeting and saving to more complex areas like investing, debt management, and retirement planning. It's about learning how to manage your income, expenses, assets, and debts effectively. Financial education equips you with the tools to create a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals, make informed decisions about borrowing and lending, understand different investment options and choose the right ones for you, plan for retirement and secure your financial future, and protect yourself from financial scams and fraud. Financial education is not just an option, it's a necessity in today's world. It empowers you to take control of your financial well-being and avoid common pitfalls. Here's why it's so crucial: debt, avoidance, and management. Financial literacy helps you understand the true cost of borrowing and avoid falling into the debt trap. It teaches you how to manage debt effectively, prioritize repayments, and become debt-free faster. Wealth-building investing is a key component of building long-term wealth. Financial education provides you with the knowledge to make informed investment decisions, understand different asset classes, and potentially grow your money over time. Goal setting and achievement. Setting clear financial goals is essential for staying motivated and on track. Financial literacy helps you define your goals, create a plan to achieve them, and track your progress along the way. Stress reduction. Financial worries are a major source of stress for many people. By gaining a solid understanding of your finances, you can reduce anxiety and gain peace of mind knowing that you're in control. Continuous learning and adaptation. The financial world is constantly evolving. Financial education is an ongoing process that equips you with the ability to adapt to changes, make informed decisions, and stay ahead of the curve. Embarking on your financial education journey might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. There are countless resources available to help you get started. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki challenges traditional thinking about money. The Dave Ramsey Show offers practical advice on debt and budgeting. Graham Stephan provides insights into real estate and personal finance. Coursera offers a wide range of finance-related courses from top universities. Mr. Money Mustache focuses on early retirement through frugal living and smart investing. Stay consistent. Turning knowledge into financial power. Acquiring financial knowledge is just the first step. The real key to success lies in consistently applying what you learn and making it a part of your daily life. Here are some strategies to help you stay consistent. Set learning routines. Dedicate specific times each week to reading, listening to podcasts, or watching videos on personal finance. Treat it like an important appointment with yourself. Create a learning plan. Outline the specific financial topics you want to learn about and set realistic goals for yourself. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Apply the acquired knowledge. Don't just consume information passively. Put what you learn into practice by creating a budget, tracking your expenses, or opening an investment account. Find an accountability partner. Share your financial goals with a friend or family member and hold each other accountable. Having someone to check in with can provide motivation and support. Celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. This will help you stay positive and motivated to continue your financial education journey. The journey to financial freedom, a lifelong pursuit. Financial education is not a one-time event, it's a lifelong pursuit. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changes. Embrace the journey and view it as an opportunity for continuous growth and improvement. As you gain knowledge and experience, you'll become more confident in your financial decisions and better equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Remember, financial freedom is not just about having a lot of money. It's about having the knowledge, skills, and confidence to make informed choices that align with your values and goals. Start your financial education journey today and empower yourself to achieve your financial dreams. The rewards are well worth the effort. Budgeting basics. Taking control of your cash flow. Budgeting is the cornerstone of sound financial management. It's the process of tracking your income and expenses to ensure you're spending less than you earn and allocating your money wisely. Start by listing all your sources of income and categorize your expenses. Distinguish between needs and wants, prioritizing essential expenses like housing, food, and utilities. Identify areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to simplify the process. The 50-30-20 budget is a popular method, allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Life changes, and your budget should reflect those changes. A well-crafted budget empowers you to make conscious spending choices and achieve your financial goals. Debt management. Escaping the debt trap. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. It's crucial to understand the different types of debt, their interest rates, and the impact they can have on your financial well-being. Prioritize high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, as it can quickly accumulate. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options to lower interest rates and simplify payments. Explore debt repayment strategies, such as the snowball method, paying off the smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, tackling the highest interest debts first. Negotiate with creditors for lower interest rates or payment plans if needed. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt and live within your means. By taking control of your debt, you can free up more money for savings, investments, and achieving your financial goals. Investing wisely. Growing your wealth. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth and achieving financial security. It involves putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. Start by understanding your risk tolerance and investment timeline. Explore different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Diversify your investments to mitigate risk. Consider low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs) for a diversified portfolio. Consult with a financial advisor if needed to create an investment strategy tailored to your goals and risk appetite. Remember that investing involves risk and returns are not guaranteed. However, by investing wisely and staying disciplined, you can potentially grow your wealth over the long term. Financial goals. Turning dreams into reality. Setting clear financial goals is crucial for staying motivated and on track. Goals provide direction and purpose to your financial journey. Identify your short-term, mid-term, and long-term goals. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART. Break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes them less daunting and more achievable. Track your progress regularly and celebrate milestones along the way. Adjust your goals and strategies as needed based on your circumstances and progress. Financial security. Preparing for the unexpected. Life is unpredictable, and it's essential to be financially prepared for unexpected events. Establish an emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses, such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Consider insurance policies to protect yourself and your loved ones from financial hardship. This includes health insurance, auto insurance, homeowners or renters insurance, and life insurance. Create a will and estate plan to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Review and update these documents periodically to reflect any life changes. By taking steps to prepare for the unexpected, you can gain peace of mind knowing that you're financially secure.